so we're just about to leave for the Interlaken train station, and maybe I can show you our room very quickly, but it's quite messy. So we have a bed, which looked a lot nicer when we came in, a little closet, a Steven, perfect accessory to any room.
We paying for a Steven's actually extra.
Yeah. In fact, I think they might even pay you to take a Steven. I'm not really sure, it's just what I've heard. What did you think of the hotel?
It's sort of reminded me of where we used to live in student accommodation. So we used to live in, and the student accommodation was it was a nursing home. So a nursing home was transformed into the student accommodation. So it seems a little similar to me.
Yeah, I think the lady said this one was a convent, or it's run by the nuns, and it's actually a social project. So she said everyone here has some sort of handicap, so I think it's really cool. It's very cheap. We paid 97 Swiss francs, which will at least seem to be cheap when I booked my tickets because there was nothing else really available. It has a shared bathroom, but there's like 3 toilets and there doesn't seem to be a lot of room, so we haven't had a problem. It's pretty clean, so we would definitely recommend. We'll put the link in the more info box if you come to Lucerne. Also, it's a 5-minute walk to everything, so yeah. Thank you. Okay, Steven is trying his first macaroon. It's such a great time. Just take a bite. What do you think?
Good. It's not bad. It's like a soft. It's like a very, very soft biscuit.
I know what it tastes like.
And in the middle, there's a caramel filling, very sweet caramel filling.
We're about 40 minutes into our train ride to Interlaken, and it's really misty today. You missed the pretty views.
Yeah, but I got to sleep, so I got to have whatever views I wanted.
So right now it's really foggy. It reminds me of, what's that movie?
Silent Hill?
Silent Hill, yeah. What do you think? Is this the prettiest train ride in Switzerland?
Yeah, it's...
Not that you were awake for any of it so far.
That's alright.